Hey sweeties, so as you guys seen from the channel, my channel was deleted. It was deleted last week. I was off on Thursday and Friday, and I look at my email often, and so when I looked at my email, it said my channel had been deleted. Now, I thought this was an error, but it wasn't. Once I went over to my channel, there was nothing there. I couldn't search for anyone or put up a video at all. I mean, it was just gone. Now, what I'm not going to do is bash YouTube. That's not what I do as a YouTube creator. I don't bash companies, so especially if I'm doing clothing hauls, I just let you know that, hey, this is not for me. So, but what I will say, it was like I was kicked in the stomach over and over and over again. Now, I did, I called my husband, and I would be lying to you if I told you that I had cried. I did. And I also called two fellow YouTubers. I called Cece, and she was in awe as well. And within a few days later, then Jen on Demand gave me a call. So it's good sometimes to have someone that you can speak to and to figure out exactly what you need to do next. Now, the only thing I was able to do, I did appeal it. Now, I'm not going to tell you exactly what I put in the appeal, but I will give you a snippet. I did let YouTube know that as a plus size woman, I do these videos to show that although you may have a stomach or big thighs, or you're ashamed of your knees, or you just need to hide these imperfections, you can do so with ruching. You can hide your imperfection with ruching, straps. I have said that over and over again. And although you know what my imperfections are, it's my flanks and my stomach. And if I was to have some kind of surgery, I would have a tummy tuck and my flanks removed. But I'm proud of who I am, and I try to show that for others. And I said that. Those are several things that I had said that in the appeal when I sent that email. Now, I just wish as YouTubers we had like someone, like a rep or somebody to give us guidance I know that there's like, you can read the guidelines and all of that, but then you still need someone to guide you through, to tell you what you cannot do, to get your channel out there, especially when you need to get your channel out, on the algorithm. Now, I waited and I waited. It took them a week. Matter of fact, last Friday, they did bring my channel back, and they said it was in error. Now, it was strange to me because I didn't understand, because all my videos were in green. Now, you guys know I do lingerie hauls. I do. But with my lingerie hauls, I always use swimsuit bottoms. Or if I was to put on a bra and, for a collaboration, I always use nipple covers. So I didn't understand why, my channel would still be deleted. Now, I will say this. For those of you who actually does this for, as full-time YouTubers, I commend you. Because I couldn't put all my marbles in one basket, because it's there 1 minute and then it's gone the next. And although I can just imagine if that was to happen to you, but to me, it's because I created this channel. This is a part of me. And I have 18,000 subscribers. Now, although I don't get 18,000 views, it's still something that I have created, and it was just gone. And I know I keep saying that, but still to this day, I'm still in awe. you know? So I was hurt. I was hurt. And it was hard for me to get back in front of this camera. So I just want to say that this was very important to me. And although it was in error, I still don't understand. But my channel is back and I'm very happy about that. I want to thank each and every one of you for the support that you give. Now there was 2 videos that stopped in limbo. And so if you guys can go back and watch that video, if you feel like that you guys feel like that I need to just upload it again and maybe I can start fresh. I don't know at this point, but I will be showing you guys some videos. I showed you Lock Journey. I did go back and get my hair redone. She started from scratch. I mean, so it's like a starter locks. And I would get to that video, bring that out within the next week or 2 or 3 days or however. But I needed to give you guys an explanation on what happened, and that is what happened. Did they tell me why? They gave me a snippet why. I'm not going to go into that. So like I said before, I was very grateful that YouTube gave me my channel back. But I put a lot into these videos, and I know you hear YouTubers say that, and it's true. It's a lot of work, you guys. It's a lot of work. And then I'm posing, and then I'm hearing my husband, I'm not wardrobe, I'm not wardrobe. I get it, and I'm looking at him, you are wardrobe. You all I got. He supports me a lot. I'm very grateful for that. And then when I didn't have it at all, and I was like, you know, you get tired. You get exhausted and tired and all those things, and you try to, you know, get the purses and match the purses with the outfit, and you know, sometimes you're like, nah, this is not it, and you put on high heels, and that's a lot of work, you guys. It's a lot of work. So whenever you look at a content creator, just keep in mind that this is not it's not easy. And so it's my creation. It's my creation. So yeah, I know you hear my dog. So I guess that's my cue, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.